purpose of this video is to show you how I am traveling with firearms. Actually, it's a few easy steps and you'll be a happy camper and you'll have your firearms with you on your destination. And this is including even air travel. Okay, first of all, you need to unload any weapons that you have. That's pretty simple. Get rid of the magazine, and we'll make sure that there's nothing in the chamber. Okay, there is nothing in the chamber now. Okay, and let's see. It's easy enough. This case here, which my wife got me for my birthday, I got from Cabela's. It's a militarized gun carrying case, and you can actually take up to 4 firearms. So that's pretty straightforward, and it locks and it's secure. However, I'm only taking one firearm. I'm taking my 9mm Ruger, and for added precaution, I'm going to have the gun remain open with a lock going through the breech, and that'll discourage any unauthorized use of the weapon. Okay, so this is clearly pretty safe now. Okay, I'm going to lock it back up in the original steel container that I use, and let me find the right key for that. Here we go. And this guy is safe, no question about it. Okay. I'm going to take the magazines that I've unloaded. These are definitely unloaded. And I'm going to put them right here. I'm going to treat myself to a magazine loader. And let's see. I have the ammo that I took out of the magazines. I will package that right up, pop that right here, and we are ready. Let me move this gun out of the way, and very simple. Okay, now I prefer to lock this up with a real lock, but the TSA requires the use of their own locks for inspection, so we'll comply with that. It's not a big deal. They also make you sign a declaration form when you declare that you're carrying a firearm. This is what the declaration form looks like. It even says on here you could have your magazines or clips loaded as long as it's not going to discharge accidentally. But I prefer to unload the magazines. I'd rather have less hassles. So, this is the militarized case that we're talking about here. And here we are, just about ready. I'm going to take the extra rod that goes through both locks, locks for the for closing it up, and now I'll put the TSA lock in here, lock that up, and we are ready to rock and roll. We are ready to travel safely and in compliance with our current procedures and laws.